To fix call issue on your Redmi Watch 6, maybe you cannot receive phone calls from your phone on your Redmi Watch 6, or you're unable to make calls with your Redmi Watch 6, the solution to this is quite simple. All you just have to do is to open up the Mi Fitness app on your phone. Then you want to navigate to devices tab at the bottom. Make sure that your Redmi Watch 6 is already connected to your phone. Now you want to tap on notification and calls options over here. Tap on incoming calls and then make sure that optimize incoming call notification is actually toggled on. If it is turned off, make sure you turn it on, and then also make sure that show contact info is also turned on as well. Now the next thing you want to do is to go over to the settings of your phone. Now from the settings, you want to locate the apps settings. So go over to apps, and at this point you want to look for the phone call app from your settings. So scroll down until you find phone. Okay, so over here is mine. You want to select on it, go over to notifications, and then make sure that show notification is actually turned on, and then every other notification from over here is turned on as well. Now aside from notifications, you want to come out of this, go over to app permissions, and then down to notification, and also make sure that this is actually turned on. You also want to locate the Mi Fitness app from the list of apps over here. Mine is literally over here. You want to select on it, and then make sure that where we have notification at the bottom, everything over here is turned on. So show notification and every other option is turned on, and then under permissions as well, notifications, everything is also turned on. And then under phone, you also select it and make sure that allow is selected. Now once you do this, you should have been able to fix any calls issue on your Redmi Watch 6. But if this does not also work out for you, all you just have to do is to reset your Redmi Watch 6 and try to pair it back with your phone again. To reset your Redmi Watch 6, you just have to go over to the Mi Fitness app on your phone, and then from here that we have our connected Redmi Watch 6, you want to just tap on this option, click on the delete option from over here, and then just tap on the minus button, and your Redmi Watch 6 is going to be reset, and you would actually have to set it up from start to finish again. But then you would have fixed any call issue with your device. If this was helpful, please let me know in the comment section and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.